Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this morning update, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, and Micron. So on the heels of tariff situations, we do have a lot of reaction in the market, even though things, at least for right now when I'm doing this video, are a little bit rebounding, but we already have a break of structure across many stocks. Some were already broken, but for example, like Nvidia was already broken, but we are seeing Tesla continuing to take the beating today. And so let's start off with Tesla, right? Overall price action on Tesla still remains bearish. If I show you my tool, we are still red on it. Now we are trading right within that zone, the zone that I mentioned. So let's get to the hourly interval. And as I said in the last video as well, take Tesla mostly intraday right now. And if today it closes below 384 area, then you have a swing problem as well. So but let's talk about the price action, what I talked in the last couple of videos. So I mentioned that if we lose $400 area, the blue box, you are watching a downside play. You can see we gapped lower, rebounded, rejected underneath the blue box. That's why I have put it over there. And we just continued lower and all the way first went to the $384. And since I mentioned after losing that, it will at least open up the doors to 373. We got down there. Some rebound is coming around $373 level at very close to the significant level. That's why these levels are so important. Why so? Because we have a previous demand zone there, which is unacted, unreacted, so it's reacting the first time, right? Which is a strong demand zone. Now, will this hold? Well, we'll have to see how the day would close on Tesla. Take it as a rebound for the day at that level. All right, so we are still technically overall bearish. Right now in the price action, this is just a rebound. You can see already it's selling off because we have a top level now, the significant level over here, resisting it, right? So we are not fully out of the woods. Overall structure is bearish. Rebound is happening. That's great. If rebound closes in the strength today, we'll see what that does on the price action. But so far though, it's still overall bearish, and right now we are just rebounding. So yeah, that's your Tesla. It's weak but rebounding. So let's see how it closes by the end of the day. Nvidia. So Nvidia a little bit getting bought back up after falling, and technically it's still in the bearish structure, guys. Nothing has really changed in that regards. All right, it's still technically in the bearish structure, and it's a rebound. Is it a good rebound? Well, I take it as a rebound. I'm not gonna say if it's a good rebound or bad rebounds. Rebounds are rebounds. But remember that we will only start to show intraday strength again if we get above 118 now. Otherwise, no. It's just take it as a rebound. I would give it that it's a good rebound, but let's see how the market closes. 118 above is the only way some strength, more strength will start to come for some days, but so far it's just a rebound. And overall structure is bearish on Nvidia still. So AMD. Okay, for AMD, it all comes down to the earnings now tomorrow. All right, it's either gonna gap up or really brutally gap down. It's still holding today though, that very area of the previous bottom, but it's just a rebound. It's still technically in the overall bearish structure. All right, so we'll have to wait. It all comes down to earnings tomorrow. Only earnings can save AMD, nothing more. Rebound is coming at that very significant level. That's great to see. Yeah, but it's just a rebound. If we can get above and close above 115 and 48 cents, at least until before earnings, it has a still room to stay stronger. But right now it's just a rebound, and especially you can see that on the 5 minutes interval as well, that it's nothing more than just a, yeah, it's very clear, it's just a rebound. So take it just as a rebound for now, nothing more than that. All right, SMCI. So SMCI, as I have said previously, is just bearish, and it's just, guys, continuing its way lower. Its earnings are also coming. That's tomorrow. I'm not, again, I don't think much would be saved on this thing, but only and only if it can get above, after earnings, above $30.63, then only it has some hope. Otherwise, no. Overall structure is bearish, downtrending, and it's just still downtrending. ARM. So ARM is still fine. Yes, with the market gap down, but since the structure was overall bearish, and I did talk about this concept in my Microsoft video yesterday, so if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Structure which are bullish with this whole tariffs on the heels of changing the situations around the globe, starting from North America. The market did react quite a lot. Even futures last night, when I was looking at those, they were really beaten up already. But anyways, ARM is holding 150 and is still holding out that bullish comeback structure. And it's technically still fine over here. All right. So yeah, take it as for that, and it's technically, I would say it's fine. It's holding that 150 structure. And yep, so it's just that, yeah, 150 is holding, it's still fine, and it's just rebounding up. So Broadcom. So Broadcom daily interval, again, just like with the rest of the market, it is also affected with today's, but it's holding that one of the blue boxes. Okay, let me actually change a few things. We don't need that. We don't also need that. But yeah, we are still bouncing back up from the area of importance. This was the previous area of importance, and yeah, technically we are still fine intraday. And as if it closed today above 219.41 cents, it's just better, right? So that's from Broadcom. Micron, and we don't want to close below that blue box. So Micron rebounded, got close to, in the last few days, got very close to 95, around 94. Is it in an uptrend? It's not in an uptrend. And the rebounds previously, as I was mentioned, we got those rebounds. Today, after gapping down, it's finding a support at one of those significant levels, right? You are watching the price action at these levels. So this is a bounce at the significant level. And intraday, yes, it's a good bounce, it's a good rebound. And today, if it can close above this, even if it can close above $90, that's great. And if it closes above $91.50, that's better. So yes, and then intraday strength is still there on this thing. Not swing, bullish, and that's what I have been saying, because you can see it's still going down, right? After rebounding, it's just take it just as intraday bullish play right now on this thing, the way it's been doing. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.